All right, so we have the 67 rolling pretty quickly on a lot of the stuff. I can kind of bust through this probably this weekend more than likely. But we had another car join us for a little while. This is a 65 GTO. We're basically putting a single floor pan in, so we're doing it the right way, just to kind of show you guys how we do this. We might not get a ton of video as this goes, because we are doing this for somebody else. So there's a chance I'll be in the shop. We're get what video pictures we can of this car. That being said, looking forward to doing floors the right way on this 65.
Cheap chandelier cover, brush in it, spoon, some dirt, somebody swept up in an armrest.
But like these patches with the screws and like, is that riveted in brace or was it screwed in?
There's the carpet.
Gosh.
Don't know, it might just be those screws.
So with all the other products going on, we've also been kind of slinging away on this thing. This is the 65 GTO we're taking the floors out of. This car is really, really far gone. So it's been an interesting project trying to manage that. We're doing it right this time. We're doing an entire floor pan in one go. I mean, the rockers are okay on the inside-ish. They're okay on the outside-ish. Then you've got odd spots like that that really kind of make things a little more difficult than it has to be. But we're figuring it out. So I know we didn't get a lot of film as we're cutting this floor out, and I apologize for that. But that being said, I don't want to bore you guys a lot of the things like cutting the panels out because simply it's unique to each individual project. This one just happened to be the inside of the rockers needed to be cut out for the new patch panel. So that's what we did. That said, in the video with it going in, we'll probably do a lot more recording of that because it's basically, it needs to mount where it needs to mount, and you're gonna have to fight that fight later if you decide to take this project on. But if you guys like what you're seeing, please like, please subscribe, have a good one, and I will see you on the road.